Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to unbox my new toys, Apeman A80 action camera. This camera comes with 4K Ultra HD, 40-meter waterproof, Wi-Fi control, and time-lapse. It also supports 170-degree wide angle and 1050 mAh Leon battery. Apeman A80 action camera distributed by Planet Telecom Managed Service Sundram Berhad. Okay, let's see what is inside the box. Wow, it's a DV bag. Inside, we have two different versions of the user manual, warranty cards. This camera comes with 1-year warranty. The contact details is behind of the card. USB cable. It comes with 2 Leon battery. It can last for 120 minutes recording. They also come with different type of a mount. And this is a waterproof casing. It also comes with a dust-proof casing. Let's have a look on the camera. Push to the side and open. Let's have a look on the camera. On and off button, shutter button and shutter light, up and down button, another side, micro USB charging port, mini HDMI port, and SD card slot. So let's put in the SD card and battery to have a try. Turn to the back and push. Open and slot in the battery. Long press for 2 seconds to switch on the camera. Now we are on the video recording mode. Press once. It will change to the picture mode. Press again. It will preview your picture and video. Press again. It will go to the setting page. Okay, let's see the picture and the video from this camera. From the sample video, we can see the different 4K resolution have a clearer video quality, but it's a bit shaky as 4K doesn't have the EIS function. However, the 1080 resolution look clear and more stable as it has the EIS function. After using the camera for field recording, I think it is very user-friendly and easy to control. The image resolution is up to my expectation. I am certified with the Apeman A80 action cam.